Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share most important questions for managerial economics for MBA students. So first topic है basic concepts. First question है what is managerial economic and how does it differ for traditional economics? Second question is explain the concept of opportunity cost with examples. Now third question is discuss the role of marginal analysis in decision making. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है डिमांड एंड सप्लाई एनालिसिस. सो उसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग डिमांड एंड सप्लाई. नेक्स्ट है हाउ डू यू कैलकुलेट एंड इंटरप्ट द प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड. नेक्स्ट है एक्सप्लेन द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ क्रॉस प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी एंड its significance. And next है what are the key determinants of supply elasticity. Next topic is production and costs. First question what are the different types of production functions. Next explain the concept of economics of scale and its impact on cost. Next discuss the short run and long run cost function. And next है how do you determine the optional level of output for profit maximization. Now next topic is market structures. First question है compare and context perfect competition, monopolistic competition, oligopoly and monopoly. Next है how do firms under different market structures set their prices. And next है discuss the concept of game theory and its application in oligopoly markets. Next topic is pricing strategy. So first question है what are the different pricing strategy used by firms. And next है explain the concept of price discrimination and its types. And next है how does the concept of price elasticity influence pricing decisions. Next topic is profit maximization and loss minimization. So first question is what is the relationship between marginal cost and marginal revenue in profit maximization. Now next question is how do firms make decisions in the presence of uncertainty and risks. Now next question is discuss the various methods of analyzing profit and loss in a business. So next topic is investment and capital budgeting. So first question is what are the key techniques for capital budgeting. Now next explain the concept of net present value and its importance. And next how do internal rate of return and payback period methods assist in investment decisions. Next topic is market failures and government intervention. So first question is what are market failures and how do they occur. Next 25 question is discuss the role of government in correcting market failures. And 26 is what are the effects of taxation and subsidiaries on market outcomes. Next topic is risks and uncertainty. 27 question is how do businesses manage risks and uncertainty in decision making. Now next question is explain the concept of risk aversions and its impact on investment decisions. Now next question is decision the use of insurance and hedging as risk management tools. Now next topic is strategic behavior and decision making. So first question is what is strategic behavior and how does it affect competitive advantages. 31st is discuss the role of managerial economics in strategy planning. 32 is how do firms use economic models to make strategic decisions. Next topic है economic forecasting and analysis. So first question is what are the methods used for economic forecasting. 34 is how do businesses use economic indicators to make decisions. Now next question is discuss the importance of economic analysis in managerial decision making. Next topic is international economics. So first question is what are the implementation of international trade on domestic markets. 37 question is discuss the impact of exchange rates on business decisions. 38 question is how do trade policies and agreements affect international businesses स्ट्रेटजिक्स। आई होप ये वीडियो आप सभी के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेटिव होगा। ये फिफ्थ वीडियोस था। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।